Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Um, I still go by the name Arinze, um, Chief Executive Director of Ocean's Design. I've been trying to make some videos for this while, but there's no time because we have some project we're handling at the moment. So I am here to do some talking concerning a particular topic called. I just want to talk about mood board or idle board. First of all, what is mood board? Mood board is a presentation, a design that we interior designers do present to a client containing all the materials you are going to use in the space. Let's say, for example, you want to use this particular door, you want to use this particular AC, you want to use this particular type of bed, you will just put it. And how does this mood board helps both the client and the designer? For the client, for the designers, the mood board or idle board will help you figure out the materials. And once you are done forming your mood board, it can enable you to figure out your designs very fast, like your items, the things you need for that is because you have it in your mood board already. All you need to do is just bring down the list and the prices. You go into it and you figure them out. It helps a lot, and it helps in saving time when it comes to designing, because once you have everything down in the mood board, it will be easier for you to just, it's not that you go and be thinking again, what am I going to put here, what am I going to put here, it will help you to figure it out on time. That's how mood board help the designers. Then what about the client? It helps the client to visualize how the space is going to be, because once you have the mood board, you have your items that you want to put. The client will be having that imagination on his head that okay, this is how this place is going to turn out when they put something like this. This is how it's going to, so that is the use of mood board and how it helps. It just be like trying to present a 3D. When you have a 3D contains almost the work done, everything fixed. Mood board 3D has video side and the image side. Let's say you have a 3D of a particular space, and that 3D, let me say you want to design a living room and you have the 3D of a living room. You have your mood board which you have used to sort out your the design you are trying to make. Now you have your 3D. Do you know what it means? That you have almost done the 60% of the job, because every other thing is just calling your artisans to, okay, we are doing this, we are doing this, we are doing this. Okay, so these two things is needful, but sometimes if you interior designer tell a client that you need 3D, because you actually pay separate money for your 3D. So because once you mention money, clients will run away or something like that. But even if without 3D and you have your mood board, you can still give out a good design in your space. That is for it. Then another thing I want to chip in is what is it called? Work schedule. What is work schedule? Do you know, without work schedule, you as interior designer, you are going to suffer delay, because work schedule contains the weeks, the months, even sometimes you can even add time. But time is not this thing, because especially if you are working in Lagos, you will notice that you can't just have a particular time. Nigeria alone does not have we don't even keep time. Talk more of Lagos, that when you say something something is by 10 a.m, you end up going there by 12 or 1 because of traffic. So putting of time is not that this thing. But you see, weeks, months is very, very needful in using work schedule, because when you put work schedule, you will know that okay, this particular week, first of all, your work schedule will contain the work you first of all start. Let's say you want to renovate a space, and you have your work schedule. You will know that, okay, this week we are working on breaking social wall, social wall, this expanding this space, bringing this place closer. This window is smaller, we need to expand it. This place is bigger, we need to close it a bit. You work on those things. This week we are doing this, the other week we are completing it, or we are doing the other one. That is work schedule. That is how work schedule helps. Because without work schedule, you will just be doing anyhow. The time you are supposed to bring painter, you go and bring the electrician. The time you're supposed to bring the electrician, you go and bring bricklayer. All those things will not help you. So that's how work schedule will work. That is it for now. In my next video, I'll be trying to use my laptop to work on. I will try to design. I would like to put one or two concerning mood board, so that sort of people that don't know what mood board is all about, we see it and know how it works and how it looks. You understand? So please don't forget to refer us to someone, or even call us yourself, to work in your space. We start from scratch to finishes. We renovate your space. We even supervise. We supervise your space. We do a lot of things as interior design company. So call us in your space, refer us to someone. You will not get disappointed, I promise. So look forward to get from you. Comment on this post if it comes across to you. Share it, like it, refer us to someone. God bless you. Thank you very much for listening.